Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. Today we're talking Mangave, and that's an interesting succulent I want to introduce you to. So of course there's all sorts of hybrid plants all over the world, and growers are constantly mixing and matching things together. It's like putting a poodle and a bulldog together and you get something unique. And here we have something called Mangave, and this is Manfreda and Agave that have been bred together to take the best of both of those plants and create some interesting new plants. Now, these are not hardy in colder climates, but they're wonderful for those of you in the southwestern part of the United States. They make a great landscaping plant because they have low demand in terms of water. They can take full sun, and they really like an environment that you'd see in San Diego or Phoenix or Brownsville, southern parts of Texas. You can see here we have them in the greenhouse. We're in the Northeast, and these would be something you could put outside in the summer in the colder climates, but you do want to bring it in before you get a frost or a freeze. So this is Moonglow, and you can see this wonderful spotted leaf here, and you can see how it's got this nice bluish color. This would pair well with hens and chicks, other cacti. It would look good, let's say, with some sedum, things like that. And really nice texture. They're a little bit sharp, but certainly not like a cactus. So if you didn't like those spots, maybe some little, almost like freckles. This is Lavender Lady, and you can see some little lavender spots on this one. Pineapple Express reminds me a little of the previous ones we saw. Same thing with the spots, but the leaves aren't quite as blue. Spotty Dotty, again, similar, but the leaves are a little bit ruffled, so that's interesting, and the leaves are also a little bit bigger than the other ones that we've seen. Someone had fun naming Inkblot. You can see, again, the interesting spots. The leaves here are a little bit longer, so the difference you'll see are longer leaves, curlier leaves. The spots are a little bit different, but all of these want full sun. All of these want not much water. There's actually signs on all of these saying no agua, no water, because they want to remind folks in the greenhouse, let these dry out, and that's how you want to handle this at home. So Mangave, an interesting plant, a hybrid, perhaps new for you, good indoors in colder climates and outside in warmer ones. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.